Good morning, you guys. Right now it is 9:49 and I don't have class until 11 today, but I'm supposed to have like a hair shipment come in, and it's coming in through DHL, and you have to be here to sign for it unless you print out like a paper and leave it so that they can take it, saying like basically you're signing it beforehand. So I have to run to the library really quick to print that out, and then I'm gonna have to come back, drop it off at my apartment, and then I need to run to Dunkin' Donuts because I need to get breakfast and I need to get coffee. We have a very productive day today. Like I said, I have class at 11, and then my phone is supposed to get here today, as well as my phone case, which is not as exciting, but I want to unbox my phone for you guys. And then I have to drop my hair off to my stylist to get colored. My hair appointment is on Wednesday. And then after that, I'm going to go to the library to work on my capstone, because I think in my other vlog, I said that I was going to work on that and I never did. So I have to get a big chunk of my capstone done today because I want to be able to submit a rough draft on Friday. So, yeah, I think that's everything that I have planned for today. So I'm about to take my dog out. I'm not wearing my hair like this. I'm going to take them out the braids, but I always do my hair once I finish taking my dog out. So I'm going to go take her out, and then I need to run to the library, print this paper out, fill it out, and then come back, bring it back to my apartment, then go back out, go to Dunkin' Donuts, get my coffee, get my hash browns, and then go back to campus and park and go to class. So it's a lot, but that's what we have planned for today. I'm super excited. I'm super excited to unbox my phone for you guys. And then I feel like I had something else coming in the mail. Oh, dog treats. Not exciting at all. But yeah, so I just want to come on here and start the vlog for you guys and say what's up. And yeah, we're gonna get ready to go. So let me take my dog out, pack my backpack up, do all that good jazz, and then I will come back in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so right now it is what time is it? Oh my gosh, it is 10:21. So I just came back from the library, printed out the sheet that I need to print for DHL, and I just placed it by the door of my apartment so that they can drop my package off. So now I have to run to Dunkin' Donuts, get my food, get my coffee, and head to class and eat before it's time for me to actually go into class. So let me go because I'm in a rush, clearly. I feel like this is gonna be like a really awkward angle, but I kept trying to put it like on my dashboard where I normally have it, and it kept like sliding off, and I'm like 100% sure this is going to be like a really awkward angle. I'm sorry, but right now it is 10:40. I got my Dunkin' Donuts. I ate already. I have my latte. So I'm just going to wait another like couple of minutes before I start walking to my class. So I'm just really sitting here parked. I was watching Keisha's vlog because she's doing Keyvember. So I was watching her vlog. But I just stopped watching it, so I'm just like on my phone playing around right now, checking the tracking on my stuff, particularly my phone, because like DHL is really like kind of weird with their tracking. But yeah, so right now I'm just checking the tracking on my phone, which I'm like super excited for it to get here, and it still hasn't delivered yet. So I mean, whatever. Like I still have class, and then I get out at 11:50. And then I have to run to Walmart because I have to buy a few groceries, and then I also have to buy the hair dye because like I think I told you guys I have to drop my hair off to the stylist to get colored for my hair appointment on Wednesday. So I have to go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna head home, which reminds me I need to make a grocery list because I don't need to go in there and go willy-nilly and buy stuff that I don't need. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna make this grocery list, and by the time I finish doing that, it'll probably be time for me to head to class. So that's what we're gonna do. So I will talk to you guys probably when I get out of class. What is up, you guys? I just got out of class, and it is freaking cold outside. Granted, I have on like a long sleeve shirt in this here coat jacket, but I should have worn my thicker North Face because it is cold. But I ended up spilling my white North Face. I ended up spilling coffee on my sleeve, so I have to wash that. But yeah, I'm about to head to Walmart, and it's about to rain, and I really don't even want to go, but I really need to get this hair dye. I made my list already. I told you guys I was going to do that, so I made that list. So I already know what I need, so I literally just need to go in there and grab the stuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed, there's not a lot of people in Walmart because I just can't. And I may not even get all the stuff that I need just because I don't want to be in there. It is freezing, and I just want to go home and just like lay around for a little bit. But yeah, so we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna get this stuff and we're going to head home. I normally have physics at 2 o'clock, but I'm not going because listen, that class is just, she's so monotone and she has like a really thick accent, and the accent wouldn't be a problem if she wasn't so monotone, and I never know what she's talking about in that class anyway. So I have a B, which I will take because again, I never understand what's going on in that class. And go to class, kids, go to class. Like, don't skip class. But at this point, I'm just like over it. And it's really cold and I just want to go home and like, just like, not even lay down, but just be in the warmth and not around a ton of people. So I'm about to play my music and we're gonna head to Walmart. And then we're gonna head home and wait for my stylist to text me so I can drop my hair off. So, yep, that's what we're about to do. Okay, guys, right now it is 12:43. I am back from Walmart. I got everything that I needed and my hair shipment came in, but I'm still waiting on UPS to bring my phone, and then I'm still waiting for the mail to run because my phone case is supposed to come in from Amazon through USPS. So still waiting on 2 more packages, but at least my hair came in at a decent time so that I can drop it off to my stylist at 2, because initially I was thinking that it was going to come a little bit later, because normally when I get packages and stuff, because I normally get home at about 3:15 or 3:30 when I get out of my 2 o'clock class, and normally by the time I get home then all of my packages have arrived. So I told her I'll bring it a little bit after 2 because I'm thinking, you know, that's normally the time it comes, but the hair came a little bit early, so I'm just waiting on UPS and USPS, which the mail normally runs at about 1-ish, 1:30, 2 o'clock. And then I guess UPS comes whenever UPS comes. I don't know. But so yeah, those are the last 2 things that I'm waiting for. So I'm just gonna kind of lay around for a couple of minutes, watch a YouTube video or 2, talk to my friends until the rest of my packages get here, and then I'll probably come back and check in with you guys when it's time for me to do the unboxing for my phone. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. My phone is here, you guys. The UPS guy is here. Oh my god. Okay, so my phone is here. So before I unbox it, the phone that I have now, it's backing up. This is the 8 Plus in the, what color is this? Space gray, I guess, or black, or I don't know. But this is the phone that I have now. Like I said, it's backing up. So yeah, this is just the box. Some paper that I'm gonna throw up here because little Miss Nosy doesn't need to be playing with that. I don't know what that is. Hello. This is probably just like the return labels, the return box. I have to send my phone back. And then this is the phone. So, oh my gosh. So, iPhone XS Max 64 gig. I got the gold. USPS is here with my phone case, so we'll go get that later. But I'm gonna just open this up. It's not activated yet because like I have to back this up and delete everything. So throw that back in the box. Oh my gosh. Information. You guys know how that goes. Ah! Okay, hold on. That's the phone. And then it comes with, of course, headphones, charger stuff. Hold on. So, oh my god, this is the phone, you guys. So, yeah. And to compare it to my 8, this is my 8 Plus, and then this is the XS Max. Yeah, they're about the same size, I would say. Except for, I mean, if you want to look at them from the front, the 8 Plus, this is the XS Max. So, they're about the same size, except for this is literally like all screen. And then this is has a home button. So this doesn't have a home button. And then in terms of the back, that's what it looks like. But yeah, like I said, they're about the same size. So I don't know why I thought this was going to be bigger, but yeah, it's not really bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this and do all of that good jazz. Get ready to send this phone back, and then I'm going to go get my case, and then I will come back and show you guys like my case and all of that. And I need to clean this up before she gets it. You guys, I was so excited to get my stuff that I completely forgot to put my groceries away. So I'm just like, oh my god, I forgot. Okay, right now my phone is activating. I just deleted everything off of my 8 Plus. And it's just processing that so that my new phone can be activated. So, but this is the case I got. It's from hold on, let me turn this way because the light is probably better. So this is the brand. Honestly, it was just like a random purchase off of Amazon. I don't know anything about this company. It was like $16. And my brother, hold on, I'm trying to open it with one hand. My brother has Amazon Prime, so hold on. So now that it took forever and a day, so this is just the case that I got. This is the color, and I'm just gonna take this little styrofoam out. So yeah, this is just the case that I got. Whatever. So I don't want to take, first of all, I got to turn this phone on. I don't even want to take the plastic off, but I have to because I have to put the case on it. So hold on. I just took the plastic off, you guys. Look at it. I'm gonna put the case on it because I'm about to get fingerprints like all over it, and my screen is about to get so dirty. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, it's a little bit later, and I got my phone all set up and whatnot, and I just got back from dropping my hair off to my stylist so that it could be dyed, and it is literally pouring down raining, and I planned on going to the library not until like 7 or 8, but if it's still raining by then, I'm honestly just going to do my work here because I don't feel like going back out in the rain because I just got like wet and I'm cold. And so if it stops raining, then I'll go to the library. Otherwise, I'm going to be stuck doing work here. And I kind of don't want to do my work here because I know I'm going to get distracted. I really would prefer to go to the library. But again, this weather, I didn't know it was going to rain today. And I'm really hoping that it stops, or at least stops long enough for me to get to the library and get inside before it starts raining again. And it's about to get dark because it's daylight savings time. So it gets dark at like 5 o'clock now. And it's almost 4. So yeah, I just want to come in and check in with you guys because I know I've been gone for a little bit. And my dog is eating, and I'm going to feed myself. I need to eat lunch because I haven't ate since I had that Dunkin' Donuts earlier today or this morning. So I'm going to find myself something to eat really quick. Maybe watch a YouTube video or two, play around with this phone because I have no clue how to work it. And yeah, so that's all I really have planned. So I'll check in with you guys when it's time for me to be a productive human being. Okay guys, right now it is, hold on, I was watching a vlog. Right now it is 7:45 and I just finished doing an order. So normally I have like normal people business hours. Normally I only do orders from 9 to 5. So typically all the orders that I would have done for today would have came from like the weekend, and then like all of the orders I would do tomorrow is gonna come from like people who ordered after 5 o'clock. If you order before 5 o'clock, your orders will get done the same day as long as I have everything in stock. But like I said, I ordered a shipment today. So anyways, but this person, I actually know them, and they need their hair by Friday morning. So she actually placed it after 5 o'clock. Normally I would have done this order tomorrow. And then, you know, the post office have like pickup time. So if you drop your order off before a certain time, it'll go out that same day. Well, normally I don't make it to the post office by the pickup time. I don't even know what the pickup time for my post office out here is. So I normally don't get the stuff dropped off to like 1 or 2 o'clock. And I think by that time I've missed the pickup time. So if I would have done her order like I normally would have, and I would have done it yesterday, even if I would have dropped it off yesterday, she would have gotten it on Friday. So I normally don't do this, but since I know her, I just went ahead and did the order, and it'll be dropped off tomorrow with the rest of the order, so she'll have it by Friday morning. She'll get it on Thursday. I also have to drop my phone off tomorrow, so there's that. So yeah, that's really what I've been doing, because all of the other orders are packaged and ready to go already. They're in my car. So I just, you know, she just sent me the text like 30 minutes ago, so I was like, let me go ahead and do the order since I know her. Normally I don't do that, but I went ahead and did that for her. So I need to put it in a bag, and then I also need to print out the shipping label, because like I said, she just told me like just about an hour ago, so I don't have the shipping label for her. So I'll have to print the shipping label out tomorrow, because I'm gonna drop the orders off in the morning. So I'm gonna run to the library in the morning and print out her shipping label so that I can ship it with the rest of the stuff in the morning. So yeah, that was my whole little spiel. So that's what I'm doing. I was just watching Jayla's vlog. She posted her vlog, so I was just watching that. I'm supposed to be working on my capstone, but I have a really bad headache and I'm just not feeling it right now. So that's what I've been doing the past couple of hours, is laying down up until my friend texted me and said that she needed the hair. So I've been laying down. I'm supposed to be working on my capstone, but that's honestly not gonna happen. I have a really bad headache. My back hurts really bad. I just feel like I'm falling apart. So it's really early. Although it feels really late, it is honestly still really early. Like I said, it's not even 8 o'clock. But I'm about to take my dog out and find something to eat for dinner. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just end the vlog here, because I'm honestly not I'm not about to do anything else for the rest of the night. Like I said, I don't feel good, so I know I'm not going to be able to focus on my capstone. So yeah, I'll probably talk to you guys in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, because Wednesday I'm getting my hair done. So I'm super excited for you guys to see my new hair, because it's going to be a new like addition to my website. So I'm super excited for you guys to see that. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.